Welcome back to my monopod analysis videos on Wednesday, 23rd of January with me, which pre-market analyst at Hantec Markets. Let's have a look at euro dollar, which interestingly enough has sort of been tailing off, I suppose, in its little slipping correction. And it's interesting that the market has now sort of started to come back to this uptrend, this very shallow uptrend, but hitting that uptrend yesterday and holding the support. You look at the momentum indicators, RSI basically been flat for the last few days in the mid-40s, and again that is an area where it's important because that seems to be where the buyers tend to come back in, certainly through December and January. Now the problem I suppose you've still got is the MACD and stochastics are still falling, but if the market can start to build this support, then it'll be interesting to see if it can start to turn around again. But for now this is just pretty much a consolidation really. Market's flat on the day, not really going anywhere this morning, but as I said, the support is holding, the support of that uptrend is holding. Now breakdown of that, and I think you're definitely looking at 13 figure. 13 figure is seemingly where the buyers tend to support euro dollar in the last 3 months, and again a key test of that would be a really important moment I think for euro dollar. But for now we are sort of holding in the mid 1300s. Is this an area where we're going to start to see a recovery? Well, it's not really showing through yet on the hourly chart. You see us still trading underneath the this moving average, which is 89 hours, still sort of forming lower highs, lower lows. You're still seeing the RSI failing at 60, MACD lines sort of unable to get above neutral. So there's no real appetite to buy euro dollar yet. It's just that the selling pressure for now has just stalled a bit, and that is something that I do find a little bit more interesting. So 1385 was yesterday's reaction high. A breakout above that would start to turn the corner a little bit, but the really key moment would be a move above the pivot at 1420. This pivot which we've seen for about the last month really on euro dollar. So 1420 is the pivot to break out. The bulls really need to move above there if they are going to be sort of generating more positive outlook again. But for now we are sort of holding firm on euro dollar. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later.